Hey guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching.
Black magic, you gon' feel the funk with black magic. Black magic, we gon' give it up for black magic.
So I always start with my brows first. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in color Espresso, and I'm gonna draw a line right underneath my actual brow. And this I'm gonna drag all the way, and I'm even extending the arch a little bit. Oh, the tail, sorry, what am I saying? I'm extending the tail a little bit. Done that, you want to draw a line above as well, like you curve out your brow actually, and make sure it meets at the end. And after that you can color it in, and shabam, there you have it. Your brow is on fleek. So I just keep coloring it in, and in the front I go very lightly to give it like the faded, you know what I mean, the faded look. Then I'm going in with my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in NC45, and I'm gonna clean up all the mistakes that I've made and make it look like it's just plucked. So on fleek. So, and I also do the same on top. This is completely optional, guys. I just like my brows to look sharp, so this is what I do. This is completely optional. And I'm taking the same Pro Longwear concealer and I drag it all the way down, and I'm gonna use that as a eyeshadow base. So now I go in with an orangey shade out of the Morphe 35B palette, I think. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to create a transition. Guys, I forgot to put an eyeshadow base, so I was putting the purple and thinking like, why is it not pigmented as I wanted? And then I remembered why. So that's why you see me doing stupidness. So there I'm putting the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white as a base for my eyeshadow, because we want all the colors to pop, okay? And I'm just blending that in. So now I'll go back with the purple, and you see, guys, pigmented. You straight away see the color. And you want to make sure you blend it out really good, okay? And out of the same palette, I'm taking this more pinkish but still purplish color. So I don't know how to explain it, but it's still purple, but it's more at the pinkish side. And make sure you blend that out as well. Blending is key. Now I'm going in with just a white concealer. I don't even remember the name, but it's extremely light for me, and I'm like cutting the crease. And I'm using a yellow eyeshadow out of the Black Opal Duo kit, and I'm patting that on. And I'm just patting it on because I believe that's how you get the most pigment. And next to that color, I'm gonna put a pinkish color. I'm patting a pink color out of the 35B palette next to the yellow. And next to the pink, I'm patting on a purple. And that one I'm gonna blend out really good, so I want it to look like it's fading out. So I'm using the Becca primer, the poreless, and I'm just gonna rub that into my skin. And I'm using the Total Drop Foundation. And of course I want to drip it on. And this foundation is really bomb, you guys. I really like this foundation. It's not heavy on the skin. It feels very light and it does give me a full coverage. And I'm all for full coverage, baby. And with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, I'm gonna conceal my face. So I do that under my eyes, on my forehead, my nose, and some on my chin. And before I blend it out, I spray my face with the NYX setting spray Dewy finish. Look at that. So now I'm gonna contour. I cream contour first and then I go over it with a powder. And I'm also setting my face with a translucent powder. I don't bake, I don't do that. It's gonna make me look like a cake face, cake everything. So I just set my face. And with the same dewy setting spray, I spray my face before I continue. Now I'm gonna highlight my face with MAC's Global Glow. Also on my nose. On my cupid's bow. And I'm putting on some liner. Wish me luck. These are my favorite AliExpress lashes. And I'm putting some of the sleek highlighter on top of the MAC Global Glow because I'm extra. You don't have to do this. Yes, honey, glow! And with that white eye pencil from NYX Cosmetics, I color in my waterline. And I'm also putting a green eyeshadow there. And I'm also putting a green eyeshadow in my waterline for it to look as summerish, as Caribbean, as carnival as possible. I'm putting this lip gloss from NYX Cosmetics because our eyes is a party. So let our lips be the guests. Some mascara on my bottom lashes. And I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So and that, you guys, completes the final look.
Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Black magic, you gon' feel the funk with black magic, black magic, black magic.